Our Masters in Golf Management at Ulster University's Coleraine campus is a programme very much designed for those that want to get either more involved in the golf industry that already work in it, or those who want to get into the golf industry for the first time, whether that's managing a golf club or a larger golf resort, whether that's getting into golf tour operations, the hospitality side of golf, the event and tournament management side of golf, retail and merchandising, or indeed the media side of golf as well. We've worked very closely on our North Coast based location here with a lot of fantastic world-renowned, globally highly ranked golf courses.
I think it's an important part for golf. We want to have good professionals coming in, people who are willing to learn, willing to add value. A place like Royal Portrush or any major destination has an important role to play within its local community, but also with the wider tourism sector, which is about hotels, guest houses, other golf courses. My experience from St Andrews is that you need to have collaboration throughout the whole network of stakeholders to deliver success. It's a wonderful industry, great people, great culture, good values, and I think what Ulster University is doing is very special, and we're delighted to support them in everything that they do.
I think it's exceptionally important that Ulster University have embarked on this Golf Masters programme. I think it's really joined up thinking. We have great courses, we have great hospitality providers, and obviously from an education point of view, now we have this real complete circle so that people can come here, they can be educated, and they can experience these great courses and be trained by the best.
I most look forward to understand the business and hospitality side of golf. There's lots to be learned in golf. There's so many different facets to it. The travel, tourism, hospitality, sales, customer service, you name it. And I think the breadth and the depth of the business of golf is what's really quite fascinating.
So I think it's an essential part of what I would call the ecosystem of the golf industry, and how we bring the young people into this world is something that we need to keep adapting to, keep learning from, and listen to their experience as well. Golf is a global game. That global element is really important for young people to embrace. You know, I go to Japan, Korea, America, there's many different club managers in different levels, but huge role to play in the ecosystem.
We have the Open Championship coming to Royal Portrush. It's very exciting to be a part of that. Dundas Lodge is very much a direct legacy piece of the previous Open in 2019. So it's exciting to think as to where Portrush on the North Coast is going to be in another 5 years' time in terms of the hospitality and tourism offering that they can provide.
There are many reasons why we're very excited by our partnership with Ulster University. One of them is that as well as having a very global outlook, we are very proud of being a golf club whose roots are absolutely in this community. Golf is one of the most global games, but I talk and talk and talk about this incredible love affair that American golfers have with Championship Links Golf on the island of Ireland. And we, Portstewart Golf Club, are part of that incredible golden situation from which we can all benefit. The ability to give something back to this community through this partnership with Ulster University is something that we treat very importantly.
I would encourage anyone who's already in the golf industry, or even not, if they just have a passion for golf or an interest in entering the sector, I think it's a great skill to have.
In relation to anyone thinking of studying the Masters in Golf Management with us, my advice would be to reach out to us, to speak to us. We have a cutting edge programme that's been designed to meet the needs of the growing golf industry from the business and management perspective. You'll get fantastic opportunities through your Masters in Golf Management to engage with the fantastic golf facilities and golf courses and golf clubs that we have in the region here.